Welcome to the first look at CURT's new CrossWing fifth wheel hitch. Plain and simple, this hitch is engineered to be as lightweight as possible for easy handling while still offering that exceptional 20K rating. Let's get right into the installation and take a look at what this thing can do. We begin by installing a lube plate before the head unit is attached. The CrossWing features a unique head connection point that promotes easy, hassle-free coupling. The head unit stays installed on your kingpin and can swivel freely. Simply slide it over the kingpin and use the included grade 8 bolts and nylock nuts to secure it in place. The main body is 65% lighter than a traditional fifth wheel. At 61 pounds, one person can install the main body into the truck's base rails. The handle is engineered to be simple and foolproof. Simply pull the safety clevis pin, squeeze the trigger mechanism to release the handle, and pull the coupler pin out of the head channel to the coupling position. Now you can back the tow vehicle into position. The CrossWing's unique coupling system eliminates the guesswork by offering visible contact between the head unit and the main body of the hitch. It's time to lower the trailer to nest the head unit to the main body. The head channel will guide that rotatable head unit into place for easier coupling, even if the truck and trailer are not perfectly aligned. Once nested, squeeze the handle trigger and push the coupling pin through the head unit. Then, secure the handle with the safety clevis pin and you're ready to tow. The amount of vertical travel needed to raise and lower the trailer to couple is significantly less than competitor hitches. CrossWing is rated to tow a robust 20,000 pounds and features built-in ShockDrop technology. An integrated polyurethane rubber isolator within the unit absorbs jerking and jarring from travel, smooths out the ride, and reduces wear and tear on the tow vehicle. Thank you for watching this first look at the CURT CrossWing fifth wheel hitch.